Hello, I'm Joe Cox. I want to tell you a little bit about my background with equipment. I started out in the Army National Guard training for mechanics on wheeled and tracked vehicles. After I completed that training, I was a mechanic in the Army National Guard for like 20 years. From that point, I went into welding with Anniston Army Depot, went out of welding and went back into mechanic field. Worked on the M1 Abrams tank for several years, became a supervisor on the M1 assembly line. I went to running the test facility where we tested all the M1 Abrams and any combat vehicle with tracks before we'd send them out to the soldiers in the field. So from that, I have a little bit of background in maintenance operations and how to maintain things, because the military is real big on preventive maintenance checks and services. On a normal day, I work on SC750 scrubbers, convertomatic, tenants, whatever we have come in that needs to be refurbished or repairs done on. I may work on a battery system, I may work on transaxles, I work on the interface boards, which are computer boards that run the equipment. May change out scrub heads. I'm Joe Cox.